Hello, my name is Ana Gimnicio and I'm from Philippines. I'm applying for the Food and Beverage Training Program with your company. My desired date is as soon as possible. I'm interested in this program because I want to experience working abroad to fulfill my ambitions and plan, as well as to improve my language skills. I want this program to widen my knowledge in hospitality and tourism industry and to acquire many skills as possible to apply them in business practices in my home country. I want this job to prepare me for other challenges and to further my career goals. To tell you a little bit about myself, I'm a positive thinking person who always wears a smile on my face. I'm loyal and hardworking person who you can always count on, an ambitious person who never give up and always ready to face new challenges. My strength includes my eagerness to learn, positive outlook in life, teamwork and capabilities, multitasking, and good contact with guests and customers, which I've experienced working in one of the biggest amusement park in the USA as a ride attendant. This job gave me a lot of confidence and knowledge on how to service a guest and be an asset for the company. I'm sure that I will be working hard every day because I always appreciate every chance that had given to me. I truly appreciate this opportunity to introduce myself to apply for the training program with your company. Thank you for your time and consideration.